Hey guys, welcome to another brand new tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to build a freelance marketplace just like Fiverr. Let me explain to you how a freelance website works. A freelance website is a marketplace where different freelancers, different sellers can come and offer their services on your platform, just like Fiverr. So if you have ever worked on Fiverr, you already know how this website works and how it looks like. I've taken full inspiration from Fiverr and I've applied it to this website, and I'm going to show you how you can also build it for yourself, your business, or your client. I have all links in the description. Remember to check them out. If this is your first time here seeing one of my videos, you're welcome. And if you are also a subscriber already, thank you very much for returning. Enough of the talking, let's get the tutorial started. A freelancer will land on your website and then create an account. After he or she creates an account, he clicks on post an M job. After clicking on post a job, a pop-up will appear, ask him or her to enter his job name, the price, the time of delivery. After that, he'll be able to assign it to a category, and then enter some description about the service. After that, he or she will add an image of that job. You can also add a video, add extra services just like on Fiverr, enter some tags. After that, you enter a short message and then click on save. And after he clicks on save, the job will be listed on your marketplace. Now on freelance websites, what happens is a buyer will come and purchase these services, and after he or she purchases the services, he will start chatting with the seller, and when they come to an agreement, then the job is delivered. And this is where all the chats will be done, and this is where you get all the notifications transpiring on your accounts. Before we start, let me show you how the whole website looks like. So on your website, you see this, just to your left, you see a logo, and we have this notification icon, and we have this chat icon. After that, we have a button or some link you can click to add your services, and we have an account page. When you click on that, you can go to your dashboard. You can also view your profile. This is where all your orders will be displayed and your jobs, available jobs. Okay, and right now I don't have a job on this account, and we have invoices, and you can sign out of the system, and this is how it works. From there, when you go beneath the main header, you have the category header, and this is where you assign all these categories to your website. And when you click on the logo, it takes you back to the home page of the website. Just below, you have a hero section, which a big banner with this image. You can add any image of your choice. And you have this bold text. Get your staff down from $5. You can change it. Browse through millions of micro jobs. Choose one you trust. Pay as you go. You can enter some maybe I'm looking for a website or logo. Okay, and then you click on search. When you click on search, it will filter, giving you the logo services on the platform. And below, you have number of services available on the website, and scrolling down, find what you need, and you have some main categories on the website. And when you also scroll down, you have the latest listing. Imagine I post a service on this platform. This service will be listed just right here, and you can scroll down and view all services on the website, and you can read more about the website. And here you can enter some descriptions about your website, and this is the home page of your site. When you scroll down, you have about us, and this is the footer section, your about us. You can click here to go to the home, your terms of service. This is a link you can to click and post your services, and contact us, your blog, terms of service, privacy and policy, how it works. After that, you can have your company name here, powered by your website name, and then guess you're right, you have your social icons. You can link anything you want here. Guess to the right. Before we start, let me show you how a single job would look like, or a single service would look like on the platform. So when you click on this service, it takes you to the single service, and you can see big banner on top. If you want, you can leave it. You can also decide to remove it. You have title of the service. I will create a storytelling style for your sales page, and this is the image, some description, and you can click to order this gig. Okay, and the freelancer can also have some extra services complementing the main service. Okay, and you can also send a custom order, and from there you have where the freelancer is coming from, the language and the biography. And assuming I am a buyer, I can contact the seller here, and you can see this logo is the same as this. So when I contact the seller, he or she will receive the message here. Okay, and you can view this seller's profile. All right, so if you're excited to see this kind of website, to see how to build this amazing business freelance website, keep watching, because I'm going to show you right away how to go about creating this kind of website. My name is Solomon, and on this channel I show you how to build multiple different kind of website for yourself, business, or client. All right, so as we know, those of you who are already my subscribers, this is not new to you. Before you build any form of website, be it e-commerce website, freelance website, a generic business website, or this free shopping website, there are two things you need, and it's a requirement: a place to store your website and your website name. As you can see, this is my website name, and it's for demo purposes. Okay, google.com is a domain name, facebook.com is a domain name, and these domain names were registered by those companies, okay, to identify their brands. So you can also go ahead and register your name. Be creative and come up with a good name for your brand. All right, so that's the first piece to it. And the second part is a place to store your website. Let me ask this question. If you know the answer, you put it in the comments. What do you think is responsible for keeping your website or keeping any form of website online 24/7? Anytime you wake up and type the website address, your website is still live. What is responsible for that? If you know, put it in the comment, as I will reply to you whether you are wrong or right. All right, so what we need to do right now is to register a place to store our website, and it's called web hosting. And then we'll also register our domain name and link it to get our website up and running. So you open a new tab and then type makigohost.com on your web browser. When you type makigohost.com, this is the web hosting provider I recommend for your business. My website is hosted on this platform. My clients' website are all hosted on this platform. All right, and again, I also have some discount for you, and it's 50% off if you are using my link in the description and the code TUP50. You get 50% off hosting. Okay, so we're going to register a domain name and hosting with this hosting provider. All right, so you go ahead and click on register. But before that, let me explain to you the packages Makigo Host offer and why they offer such. So the first package is Go Basic, the second one is Standard, the third one is Go Unlimited. With Go Basic, you'll be able to host one website with unlimited FTP with 5 GB SSD storage. As I said, you are going to be storing your website files on the internet, and you have 5 GB SSD storage, which is enough for you. Okay, so I will recommend that you stick to the Go Basic because you are just beginning. Okay, and in future you can scale up. In case you want to host more than one website, you can go with Go Standard or Go Unlimited. If you are building for clients, all right, and you want to host them on one server, you can just click on register with the Go Unlimited and have that done for you. Okay, unlimited bandwidth, email accounts, and email accounts is just like your website, like support at your website.com. Instead of the regular Gmail accounts, you can have your own business emails, okay, which looks professional, because on this your website, when they click on contact us, you want the messages to be going to your business email, not Gmail, and it looks authentic and professional. All right, 5-pack domains, databases. WordPress, you need one database, okay, unless you're doing something different. Free and auto SSL, and SSL is very important because you're going to be accepting credit card payments, and this website is supposed to look secured. If it's not secured, Google or the web browser Chrome will tell them this website is not secure. Check this: your information, for example password or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to this website. So it's very important that you register with Makigo Host to get a free and auto-generated SSL for yourself. Okay, so that's SSL, that padlock. All right, and we have free SEO tools in your cPanel, free SSL, free cPanel, nightly backups, auto installer, and an auto installer is what you are going to be using to install WordPress and other scripts inside of your cPanel. Same renewal price. You can be guaranteed that this is the price you'll be paying every month for it. No hidden fees. Okay, but we're going to pay one time, and that will be, we're going to pay yearly instead of going month to month, and 24/7 support. All right, so I want you to go ahead and click on register. You can continue reading more about Makigo Host. All right, okay, so you guys click on register, and this is where we're going to register our domain name. This is where your business domain name is going to all start, and you enter something like, we're going to enter a demo for testing purposes. Okay, so you get creative, be creative and come out with your own name. All right, so this is my demo. Let's see whether this is available, and then you assign a TLD. Do you want .com, .net, .org, whichever TLD you want, but I recommend that you go with .com. That looks professional and is worldwide recommended and known. So let's check to see whether this is available or it has been taken. And congratulations, this is a nice name we are going to be registering in this video tutorial. So after you click on check the domain name, this congratulations message will show telling you it's available. All right, and you click on continue. But if you have your domain name already hosted somewhere and you want to transfer it in to Makigo Host, it's advisable to do that because you have everything under one umbrella, which is good, because when you are reaching out to Makigo Host for support, it will be for a technical support, it will be much faster to have access to these pieces, your domain name and hosting, at one place. Okay, so you can click on transfer domain name and enter that domain name here and click on transfer and perform that transfer function. If you also want to maybe keep or leave the domain name hosted maybe on Namecheap, you can leave it over there and then only update the name service. Okay, but here we're registering a new name, so we click on continue, and here we are. This is your package, the selected package. We are going to preview it to make sure that's the right package we are working with, or the right plan. Okay, when you scroll down, you have choose billing cycle, 12 months, 24 months, that's 2 years, and 36, that is 3 years. If you're going with 12 months, a free domain name will not be added. But if you want to stick with Makiku for a very long time, and that will also save you some money, you go with 24 months. Okay, you get a free domain name added for 2 years. Okay, all right, but here let's take with the 12 months period, that's why 1 year, and there are available add-ons. You can check those if you want them to integrate Google Analytics, protect your website, because it's a WordPress website. Hackers will try hacking your website. Okay, most WordPress websites get hacked very easily, so if you want them to help you every month protecting your website, you can also go ahead and do that. All right, and when you choose this, they will be protecting it for over the period of 1 year. Okay, it's a recurring billing cycle. All right, but if you don't want that, just forget about all this and then click on continue. And this is your domain configuration page. Please, if you don't want to have spams in your inbox, check ID protection, because it's going to hide your ID on the internet. Spammers will not have access to your details and start spamming you. It's $5 per year. Okay, per year, not per month. When you pay $5, the next year you pay for this. Okay, if you have the money, go ahead and check that. All right, and you continue. All right, so continue. My internet connection is slow. All right, sorry for my slow internet connection. And this is where you apply your code, and 250 is my code. When you apply that, you get 50% of hosting. Okay, so you apply 250 and then validate the code. Okay, and 50% has been added. Congratulations. And then you click on checkout. Okay, click on checkout. You enter your details and then choose your payment method and then make your payment. After that, make sure you accept to the terms of service and then complete the order. If you also have Bitcoin, hey, there's Bitcoin here. All right, and then complete order. So I'll complete the order and get you on my account, and then we'll start the whole tutorial. But before that, let me show you our work progress. First, I showed you the demo website, how the website is going to look like. Second, we registered our name. I took you through the process of registering your name and your hosting. Congratulations. So we're now going to go to our hosting accounts and then start work. If you are excited, stick around and watch the second video.